Yesterday, I hosted the first ever creative demo workshop on how to unblock your creativity. We've had a really interesting mix of people who think that they're not creative enough and creative people who think too much, that's why their creativity is blocked. I thought I was there to do the mentoring, yet the workshop participants surprised me with some really cool insights. I'll let them share what they took home.
Hi, my name is Ana Maria, and one takeaway from this workshop for me would be remembering how enjoyable creative process actually was for me when I was a kid, where judgment was not a part of my life, trying to incorporate it in my everyday life when I'm creating something. So thank you, Casper, for organizing.
Ana Maria and Jocelyn think that making money with your creativity takes away the fun out of it, and fun should be the starting point and the main motivator, and the rest comes after.
Hello, I'm Enrico. I really thank Casper for throwing this very interesting workshop for me. One of the greatest takeaway is how actually creativity, it's something that we have common in us, like it's something, a natural force that we have and that we express, so we go through the very similar struggles, and this helped me to kind of humanize the struggles I was going through, the blockers I was going through, and reframe them and to better reach my objectives. So thank you so much.
When Enrico and Teddy see mediocre art getting praise, they hear their inner creativity calling, almost like a duty to make better art.
I'm Philip, and my takeaway is that I don't need to wait for a moment to be motivated to start doing something. The motivation actually comes after I start doing it, so that's something I'm going to keep in mind.
Philip and I, the professional procrastinators, committed to taking small steps just to gain momentum. And the light at the end of that procrastination tunnel is when momentum becomes a non-negotiable habit, just like going to the gym.
And what I take away from this workshop is that you're never alone on this journey, even if you feel you are, but we're all here together. That's it.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jocelyn, Teddy, Ana Maria, Enrico, and Philip for joining the creativity workshop. And thank you, Bjorn, for the space and for the idea. See you in the next one, Weirdos.